Spain's Prime Minister and his team of experts were cautiously optimistic this week that they are now entering a slowdown phase in their battle against the invisible enemy. Pedro Sanchez paid tribute to the workers at a ventilator factory on Friday and expressed pride in his country's reaction. A day later, he was addressing the nation, calling for the state of emergency to be extended.
I announced that next Tuesday the Council of Ministers will ask for authorization from the Spanish Congress to extend for a second time the state of emergency, from April the 2nd to Saturday the 25th. We will once again ask the Spanish Congress for a 2-week extension.
Saturday saw the daily death toll fall sharply to the lowest figure recorded in 7 days. Saturday's drop is the second day in a row that daily fatality numbers have gone down. Added to that, the rate of infections continues to slow, suggesting that in Spain, at least, the outbreak may be stabilising. In a Madrid hospital, huge relief. A baby continues to do well after being born to a mother with coronavirus. Vanessa Muro gave birth on March the 13th, but couldn't touch her son without gloves, while she and her husband undergo an extended period of quarantine. Over in France, authorities have now begun including those who have died in care homes as part of their overall death tolls. Before Thursday, those deaths were ignored. As the figures continue to rise, staff at the Villanova home near Lyon have chosen to remain confined with their residents to offer them round-the-clock care despite the risks. In Germany, the pace of infections has slowed, encouraging signs that social distancing is working. But Germany's Chancellor Angela Merkel has stressed the lockdown will remain in place.
Aber es ist definitiv viel zu früh.
It is definitely far too early to see a definite trend in this, and even more so, it is far too early to relax the strict rules we have set ourselves at any point soon.
Italy may have underestimated their death count. Matteo Via, a researcher from the Italian Institute of Political Studies, believes the mortality rate could be around 6,000 higher than previously thought, as those who've died in care homes have not been tested. But the rate of intensive care admissions has slowed, a huge relief for an exhausted health service. Italy's lockdown has now been formally extended until April the 13th. Rahul, Pathak, CGTN, Madrid.